Chapter 1. Sunny Morning in Pepeville. Our story begins in the picturesque village of Pepeville, where houses with thatched roofs peek out among the gently rolling landscape. It looks like many other villages, but it's inhabited not by people, but by animals alone. In the heart of this village lives a small, white cat named Tina. She has soft, long fur and big, bright eyes, and she's curious about everything happening around her. She loves to explore every nook and cranny of Pepeville, whether it's the stream with its crystal-clear water or the mysterious forest beyond the village. One sunny morning, Tina went for a walk. Today is a beautiful day, she thought. It seems perfect for an adventure. Along the way, she met her friend Bruno, a small, smiling dog with big, brown eyes. Bruno, loyal and energetic, always loved joining Tina on her expeditions. "Where are we going today?" Bruno asked excitedly. "How about the forest?" Tina suggested. "We might find something interesting there." On their way, they were joined by Sammy, a sharp squirrel with reddish-brown fur. "Good morning," she greeted them from a tree branch by the road. "I'll come with you." Bruno laughed. Of course, the more, the merrier. As they walked through the village, they met Max, a little gray mouse. He sat on the edge of the road, gnawing on a stick. "Hi, friends. What are you doing today?" Max asked curiously, as he climbed down from his favorite tree. "The mysterious forest awaits us," Tina replied. "Then I'm coming with you. I can't miss this," Max squeaked, tossed aside his stick, and scurried after them. Finally, they were joined by Lily, a large owl with deep, wise eyes and white feathers. "Good morning to all," she greeted. "I'm ready to help you find whatever you're looking for." And so, our group of 5 friends set off. Each of them had their own unique skills, and all were eager to discover something interesting. Pepeville was waking up to a beautiful day, while Tina, Bruno, Sammy, Max, and Lily set out on their adventure.